Today I want to show you how you can embed a video into your Seesaw activity without students having to click a link and go to an external tab. Sometimes this can be really helpful, especially for primary students. Sometimes leaving to go to an external tab can be confusing and they can have a hard time navigating back to the original Seesaw activity. So being able to embed your video into the Seesaw activity so that students don't have to leave the Seesaw activity is a very useful tool. So what we're going to need to do first is download a Chrome extension. So you can do that by first just searching the Chrome Web Store, and that will take you to the web store where you're going to search for Easy Video Downloader. When you do this, it's going to come up with these three extensions, but these aren't the ones that you want. You're going to click More Extensions right here. Scroll down until you find this small red cloud with the arrow that says Easy Video Downloader and MP3 Converter. I'm sure some of these other ones work just fine, but this is the one that I've had the most success with. I'm going to click Add to Chrome, Add Extension, and here it is. I would suggest clicking on your extensions, finding your Easy Video Downloader, and pinning it so that you can easily access it. Okay, so now we're going to go over here to our video, whatever video from YouTube or wherever that you would like to include in your Seesaw activity. Once you get here, you're just going to go over here, click on your extension, and it'll get to work. You want a video, the quality you want 360p, MP4, and click download. So the automatic settings that it comes up with, that's what you want. Click download and see how it shows up right here, or it will show up in your downloads depending on how your computer is set up. So now, super easy, I go over to my Seesaw activity, and you might have a blank screen or you might have part of an activity already built. It's really up to you. I'm just going to grab this download and drag it onto my screen, drop it, and there it is, ready to go. So now at this point I can resize if I want to. I can lock it into place, which is what I'm going to do. And now when I assign this as an activity for my students, I'll just click play.
Welcome to the What's New Part 2 mini training. This training is designed for teachers, coaches, and administrators who are excited about the update.
And it's that easy, so my students will be able to watch the video within their activity. So simple. So I also want to show you, just in case you do want to share the video as an external link, then what we would do is we would just go, if you saw that, to our three dots, click link, and right here we would paste our link to our video, click check, and it would show up like this. So again, you can resize, change it however you want, lock it in place if you want, and then you would just click here and it would take you to an external video where you could do the exact same thing, watch the video, and direct your students to return to their activity. So it just takes one extra step here where they have to leave the external link and come back to the activity. So it makes it just a little bit easier to embed the video instead. So it's really up to you, but there are two different ways that you can include videos in your activities. Okay, thanks for watching.